Grumpy and disheveled, Whiskers examines the vacuum cleaner with newfound respect. He realizes that it was not a fierce beast, but a simple appliance, tidying up the place at its master, the human's will. Humbled, Whiskers decides to watch the machine carefully from a distance, no longer wanting to challenge it. Suddenly, he realizes that the vacuum is picking up his beloved catnip ball. Then Whiskers has an idea. He nudges another toy towards the vacuum cleaner and watches as it is quickly sucked up. Excited, Whiskers now willingly brings his play toys to the vacuum cleaner every time it's turned on. The vacuum is no longer a feared enemy, but a delightful disposing tool. Our video closes with Whiskers, the mischievous cat, no longer battling the vacuum, but using it to his advantage, ending the struggle they once had.